Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add animations to your text inside of CapCut. So to get started, I'm just going to import a few videos right here. So let's say this one. I really like the look of this one. And I'm going to drag it over into my timeline. So one thing that I've thought of is that this video would feel a lot better if there was some text to fill in the space here at the top. So to add text, I'm going to move to the text tab here at the top left of my screen. And I'm going to just click on the default text option. So I'm just going to match that. And then I'm going to change what is written. So I'm going to go with something simple like mountains and then make it bold, make it italic, maybe change the font to something that I like, make it uppercase, make it a bit smaller, and position it at the top. So another thing that you can do is to also add a drop shadow or maybe a glow effect or an outline. I'm just gonna go with a drop shadow for now, and I'd say that looks pretty good. So to start adding animations to your text, that way it isn't so plain. So let's say, for example, I move this a bit forward and I play the video. As you can see, it kind of just pops in. So if I want to add some animation, at the top right of your screen, you're going to see an animation tab. So here, you're going to be able to add some animations for the entrance and the exit of the text. So let's start with the entrance, which is the endpoint. Let's go ahead and maybe add this typewriter effect to it. So if we go back to the watch, as you can see, the transition is a lot more gradual. How about the slide? There we go. I like the look of this slide and a lot more. And maybe we should be able to, here we go, extend the duration just a little bit at the bottom. Let's change the duration to maybe 1.5 seconds. About that. Let's go ahead and watch it. And there it is. So it's a lot smoother and less abrupt. We can also animate the exit through the out. And then let's go with a simple fade out. Yep. And that looks pretty good to me. So the bar at the bottom here will show you how long the durations are for the animations here at the start. And it's really, really easy to edit both of them at the same time. Now there's another thing that you can do, and it's called motion tracking. And you're going to be able to track a certain object in a frame. So let's try it out. Let's click on start. That doesn't look quite right. So let's go ahead. Reset. Let's change the tracking target to maybe here. Let's also edit the box. There we go. Turn off scale and just click on distance. There we go. Tracking has been completed. So now as you can see, in addition to being animated, it also follows the object or person that we have in V. So combining both animation and tracking will take your text additions to the next level. So that looks really, really smooth and really pleasing. And I'm very, very satisfied with the outcome. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.